Hey guys, this is Justin with Rocky Mountain, and I want to show you guys the Crusader lights from Thumper Jockey. All right, if you're a dual sport guy looking for a good auxiliary light, or a dirt biker looking for a good trail light, the Crusader light from Thumper Jockey may be a good option for you. Now the lights are built really tough. They're made from billet aluminum, so the housing of the light is billet aluminum, and all of the mounting is also billet aluminum. The nice thing about these is that fitment is really easy. They're really easy to install. If you have a modern inverted fork, they're going to fit right to the top of your fork. As you can see, they've got a little rubber piece that fits underneath the clamp, and then the clamp just goes right on top of the rubber over your fork tube. So really easy fitment as far as that goes. The wiring was really easy on this. It came with the harness. It just hooked up to the battery. It had two little eyelets for the battery, and then the lights and the switch plug into the harness. So super easy installation. Now the kit comes with a really nice switch that fits right on top of your perch, either your clutch or your brake perch. Because I'm running these mirrors there instead, I just ran the switch to a little toggle switch right here on my dashboard. We're just getting ready to take off on our ride today. When it gets dark tonight, we'll see how well these lights really work. All right, guys, it is finally dark, so I can test these lights out for you. I'm running a Sony action cam, so hopefully it picks up the light pretty good and gives you a good idea of what the stock lights are doing, which is what I'm using right now, compared to the Thumper Jockey. So, as you can see, at least I think you can see, these stock lights on this 2020 KTM 500 XEFW are pretty lame. I can't hardly see anything. I can't go too fast because I can't see what I'm driving into. Definitely good to have, help you get back to the truck if you ever get stuck out on the trail at night, but that's about all they're good for. I'm out on this dirt road. I'm gonna flip on the Thumper Jockeys. Man, what a difference. So definitely more of a floodlight, as you can see, which is what you want for trail riding. You're usually not looking super far ahead, but I can see quite a ways ahead. Back on more of a trail here. And definitely can see much more comfortably to go fast. So I do a lot of night riding in the summertime up in the mountains. And I use a Baja Design Squadron Pro in the past, and it works great. I'd say this is comparable. As you can see, the light is a pretty white light, but not overly white where it's kind of blue and obnoxious. So it's a good white light. Just for fun, let's flip these off and compare it to stock again. And there you go. You couldn't go fast on this at all. Stock and Thumper Jockey. Now I'm using this 500 as an adventure bike, my little dual sport bike. So I got a street legal kit on it. It's basically an EXC now. And they work awesome. Keep in mind, you know, if you're riding on the road, They're not going to be legal, just like about any auxiliary light, because you're going to blind the car coming at you. But when you get off-road, trail riding, they're a must-have. You've got to have some sort of lighting, because these stocks just aren't going to cut it. That is if you want to have fun riding at night. So I'm going to take these off this summer and put them on my CRF 250 RX, my trail bike, and run them in the mountains. But as you can see, they're great floodlights. I can see really well all around me, plenty far up ahead. All right guys, there you have it. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of perspective, an idea of how well these work. Again, stock light, Thumper Jockey. So we're just rolling into camp. Hopefully these guys have a fire rolling for me. Oh, and they do. Good job, guys. That's my spotlight on the Thumper Jockey lights. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave your comments below. Let me know what lights you guys are using. If you have these Thumper Jockeys, let me know what you think. I'm really happy with them. If you're going to do any kind of night riding, you got to have something like this if you want to have fun night riding. So I'm excited to spend some more time night riding on this bike and get them on my 250 RX and try them out there as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.